Go.
Okay, so who here has used their phones in class when they weren't supposed to? Cool. Well, according to students on college campuses, 92% of them can agree. So I myself am included in that. And I never really realized how distracting phones can be until I've totally blanked on lessons that I was supposed to know because I was on my phone. So phones can be a distraction that can limit a person's full potential. Taking time to limit usage can help you academically in the long run. So in this, I'll be talking about the problem with using your phone in the classroom, some solutions to limit that, and the outcome if those solutions are implemented. So first, I'll talk about the problem. So the problem. According to Pettijohn from College Student Journal 2015, students report sending about a mean of 12 texts per hour and receiving a mean of 10 texts per hour, which translates to receiving a notification every 5 minutes of class. And according to Lee Ung from the Australian Journal of Psychology, 2017, they did a study on a class of students, and they found that 16% of them were highly dependent on their cell phones, and 3% were classified as mobily addicted. So the problem with using your phone in the class is that if you're receiving a text message every 5 minutes of class, you then too can become dependent and maybe even addicted, which comes with euphoria, tolerance, and withdrawal symptoms. So now that I talked about the problem with using your phone in class, I'll talk about some solutions to limit the usage. So, according to Barry and Westfall from College Teaching 2015, they say that students perceive grade reductions and removal from a classroom as more cautionary to not use their phones in class. So teachers can implement that because oftentimes when it's on the syllabus, it's only gone over once and students don't take it as seriously. But besides that, students themselves can take matters in their own hands and limit themselves. According to Munoz from drax.com 2018, she says that people can schedule breaks to use their phones and use their work hours to focus on their studies. So what I'm saying is you can use your work hours, which is your classroom time, and put your phone aside, maybe in your car, so you won't have it on you. And you can build the tolerance to not having it on you, and then you can do it to the point where you can have it on you, and you won't need to check it. So when I talk about some solutions to eliminating the usage, I'll talk about the outcomes if these solutions are implemented. So, according to Rietzel from abcnews.com 2018, scientists who know what divided attention know that when two things are given attention, one of them is obviously given more than the other, and in this case it would be class and your cell phone. And so if these solutions are implemented, the phone won't be a problem in this case, and all your attention can be on class, which in turn can help you retain more information. And they studied a school, according to Lee from Highlander.org 2018, they studied a school that banned cell phones, and they found that their test scores increased by 6%. So in the long run, it can help you do better on your test. So now that I've talked about the outcomes if these solutions are implemented, maybe it will sway you to limit your usage. So to review, I talked about the problem with using your phones in class, some solutions to limit that, and the outcomes if those are implemented. So phones can be a distraction that can limit a person's full potential. Taking time to limit usage can help you academically in the long run. If you'd like to know more about the problem with cell phones in class, you can look at this YouTube video that's titled "The Problem with Our Phones." Thank you.